Hello lovely people! Kamusta na kayo? Eto na naman nga at ilang linggo na lang magwi-winter season na naman ulit dito sa Finland. Dito nga pala guys, the winter season are December, January, and February. The weather is also cold in November until March. Ang temperature din is often below 0 degrees Celsius in winter and it can even fall to below 20 degrees Celsius. Ito nga palang video na to guys, ito yung second day na nag-arrive kami dito sa Finland at sobrang kapal ng snow. At ayun si Rafael, enjoy na enjoy niya yung first ever snow angel na ginawa niya dito. Dito nga pala kami nakatira sa Lohja. Lohja is a town in Finland located in the southern interior of the country. It is situated in the western part of the Uusimaa region. Pero guys, mas malamig talaga sa northern part ng Finland. Doon kasi, the temperature can be below as 30 degrees Celsius. Natuwa lang talaga akong i-share tong mga videos na to guys kasi ito yung first winter season namin nung January dito sa Finland. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. God bless you all. Bye!